every time when you delete something from your Google Photos, do you wonder how and where you can actually empty your trash? This guide will walk you through the steps to permanently remove everything and clear up your recycle bin. And the process is exactly the same for iPhone and Android users, so you don't have to worry about that. So for that, first launch your Google Photos app. Now find out Collection or Library depending on which version of Google Photos you're using. After that, straight go to Trash or Bin. You will find all your deleted photos in here. And as you can see, the backup photos will be deleted after 60 days, otherwise after 30 days. To permanently delete something, either select the photo, and as you can see, you can restore or delete that photo. But if you want to delete and remove everything and empty this bin all the way, just tap on this three dot and then tap on Empty Trash. Now please remember, if you delete this from your Google Photos, these contents will also be removed from your phone's gallery. If you're okay with that, just press Delete. And then tap on Allow. And that's it. So that's how you can empty up your Google Photos trash. Thanks for watching.